humans are an integral part of the natural world. And so we're not trying to wall off the natural world and the land and keep it pristine or get it to some idealized state. We're actually managing our land here at Wilderness Awareness School for deep human connection and interaction with the land. The Land Stewardship Days give immersion students both the ability to get hands-on and to do things on the land, to contribute, to help solve problems, to help improve the health of the forest, to create new program areas that engage people with nature, and also to learn about our land, not just as it is now, but where it came from in the past and where the vision that we are holding may take it in the future.
Harvesting food, preparing food, sharing food. There's something about that that seems to strike a chord in most humans. The immersion students have the opportunity to come to Hawthorn Farm in several different contexts, to come as part of a class day, to come as a choice-based group, to come on their own outside of school hours. People can come here to experiment with plants and animals and soil that are not found in the more forested landscapes of the school's land.
One of my fondest memories of stewarding the land here during the first couple of months of this program and being offered a tree to plant and being told that we could choose where it would go and how we would plant it and what other plants it would be near. And there's just something really special about putting something in the ground and knowing that it will be there for long after that we are here doing this program.
People who connect deeply with their place, I think, feel an inner desire to want to give back and want to be a protector of that place and want to help the wild creatures that live there and want to see it more healthy and more vibrant.
Whatever people's gifts are, there's a place for them. There are ways that your gifts meet the needs of the land. That is some of the beauty to me of land stewardship. There's always a gift to give to the land. There's always a gift to receive for everybody.